alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious fruit bowl. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. How are you all? Alhamdulillah, I am fine. Ramadan Mubarak to everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious fruit bowl. So for this, we will be needing some chopped up grapes, some chopped up apples, banana, strawberries, peach, kiwi, and this is optional. You can add pomegranate seeds. I love them, so I'm adding them. Then for the toppings, we will need some honey and a squeeze of lemon. So let's get onto it. Okay, let's get started. So I just chopped up all my fruits, and trust me, it took me so much time. It took me 50 million years, but I'm telling you, it's totally worth it. So first we're gonna add our strawberries, our peach, grapes, pomegranate seeds, kiwis, apple, and we're going to add, oh, that's all. And now we're going to mix it up until it's well mixed. So mix it well. That looks so nice. After you mixed it very well, now we're going to add our toppings. So we're just going to add a wee squeeze of lemon. There we go. And we're going to add around 1 to 2 tablespoons of honey. It's going to make it taste so good. And now you want to mix it all up. All done. So after you mix it, you can serve it in a bowl. You can eat this in iftar, or if your family and friend comes over, you can make it. Have fun this Ramadan. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, turn those notifications on, so whenever I make a new delicious recipe video, you get notified, and then you can watch my videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.